I will write it in my will and I will expose it to the public when I die. कि why I left Shaktiman. एक तो मुझे पिस्टल पकड़ के with like a secret service torch.
Women in black.
That one, no. That one I want to do. बदलाव ये है कि उन दिनों में you had more leeway to be creative and do what you wanted. Now because the money is so much, you cannot be creative.
নমস্কার দা ওয়ালে আপনাদের স্বাগত। আমরা যারা এই ৯-এর দশকে বড় হয়েছি, মানে ওই আগে পিছু আর কি, যেই সমস্ত ছবিগুলো দেখতাম, সিরিয়ালস দেখতাম, এবং যারা ওই রোববার দিন 12টার সময় শক্তিমান দেখতো, তারা এনাকে চিনবেন। আমার সঙ্গে গীত বানিয়েছি। ওয়েলকাম টু কলকাতা।
Thank you.
Do you like this place? This Kolkata, you have been here?
Yes, I've been here many times in the past, but I haven't been here for the last 10-12 years.
कैसा लगता है कोलकाता?
I like it. I like it. I like the people. I think the people are all crazy, which is nice because I'm also crazy, and people are very creative, which is nice because I'm very creative. And yeah, I like Kolkata.
Do you like pani puri?
I don't like the weather.
You don't like the weather. Do you like pani puri? We call it here fuchka.
I know.
Okay. So ये कैसा है, मतलब आपको तो ड्राइविंग आता है, लेकिन आपको इस फिल्म में मैडम ड्राइवर में उसमें दिखाना है कि आपको नहीं आता है। ये हाउ इट इज डिफिकल्ट, बट इट्स वेरी।
मैं बहुत अच्छी एक्ट्रेस हूँ।
अच्छा।
और ड्राइविंग आते हुए भी, एक्सपर्ट ड्राइवर होते हुए भी मैंने इतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग की है कि आपको यकीन होगा कि मुझे ड्राइविंग नहीं मालूम।
You have worked for so many long years. It's like 24 years, 30. क्या बदलाव है, मतलब अब का जब आप थे एक साथ इतना सारा न्यू कमर्स, इतना सारा एक साथ थिएटर, फिर हिंदी फिल्म्स, मेगा सीरियल्स, सब कुछ, क्या बदलाव है अब बॉलीवुड में?
बदलाव ये है कि उन दिनों में you had more leeway to be creative and do what you wanted. Now because the money is so much, you cannot be creative. Your creativity is hampered and restrained by the producer or the corporate because you have to answer to so many people and they have to answer to so many people. Like OTT platforms are like corporates, you know what it is. So everyone's trying to save their job. So it's very difficult to be आज ये करना है, वो आज एक फिल्म बनानी है, मैंने ये स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है, बना लेते हैं. You know, you can't do that. You have not so much freedom anymore because you are responsible for so much money. So ironically, in some ways creativity has become less.
लेकिन इतना सारे उभर के तो आ रहे हैं, इतना सारे न्यू कमर्स आ रहे हैं ओटीटी के लिए, इतना सारा नया एक्टर्स भी आ रहे हैं। आर दे पोटेंशियल है ना? क्या लग रहा है आपको?
I think the Indian industry is growing and evolving. It's not perfect at all. It's far from being perfect. Somebody like me has very great difficulty in finding roles because roles are not being written for somebody like me who is very versatile. I can play an urban snob, rich woman, or I can play like in Madam Driver, a small town middle class older lady, and I have a lot of potential, but I'm not getting roles. So it is evolving. It will take a long time before we stop following one trend only and panicking कि ये नहीं बन रहा है, ये नहीं चल रहा है, तो सब लोग एक ही बनाएंगे. Everyone will make crime series.
Bollywood is moving to something which they didn't inherit. Like they are moving to South films. वो मसाला वाला वो फिल्म्स में हो रहा है ज्यादा, क्योंकि उससे पैसा.
But I have seen so many lovely series on Netflix from Malayalam ones and Tamil not so much. I mean slow, brooding, dark, noir, crime thrillers with slow camera work, slow takes, slow cutting. So the fantastic. I mean the amount of great work coming out of Kerala is fantastic. What talent, what directors, what script writing. So, when one thing dies down, something else comes up, I think. Like there was an era of Bengali cinema in the after independence. Then that died down. Then Bollywood started making like Govind Ji and Shyam Ji, and then that came. No, I'm talking about art house. Then that died down. Then the big era of Bollywood came. Then that went on, and TV serials went on. Like people like me were doing great work on television because we had an option. Then that died down. Then Saas Bahu came up. Unfortunately, Saas Bahu is still there. But now OTT has come, so I don't know what's going to happen next.
क्या होगा मैडम ड्राइवर का क्या होगा मतलब क्या लग रहा है ये फिल्म कैसा थी ये पूरा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था
Indrajit Nattoji is making a very path-breaking format. He is making women-oriented films, 6 of them. So he wants to club it together in anthology and sell it like that. So he wants to concentrate on small-town women all over India. Mine is set in Gujarat. Radio Cant is set in Punjab. So he is going to, and all his work is original. So I think it's a fantastic idea, something different. You come and see 3 featurettes of 1 hour each. All different themes, different stories, different parts of the country, older women, younger women, but all about women finding themselves, growing. Like in Madam Driver, I learn how to drive at an old age, and what happens to me.
You are helping the guy also. I have seen the trailer. वहाँ पे आप तो help भी कर रहे हैं उसकी बीवी की. She is pregnant. And
yeah, but why am I helping? And how am I helping? And how are they helping me? So it's a give and take relationship. It's very nice.
और मैं एक बात भी पूछना था, ये शिकायत है थोड़ा. मैं जब छोटा था तो शक्तिमान
Don't ask me why I left. It will be a secret till the day I die. I will write it in my will and I will expose it to the public when I die. Why I left Shaktiman? Come on, guys, let it go, yeah.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है शक्तिमान फिर से आ रहा है मतलब.
Mukesh will never take me after I walked out. I have made my peace.
क्या करना है अब मतलब क्या है इस बकेट लिस्ट में क्या है क्या करना है अब कितना साल हो गया डायरेक्शन करना है कुछ डायरेक्ट करना है कुछ
I would like to, but I'm a very lazy person. I would like to first start with a play, and I'm thinking of some European plays. If I direct a play, it will be a hard-hitting play. Nothing, no sexual.
Nasi sir को लेंगे, sure. No.
I would not dare to direct Naseeruddin Shah. But I would like to do a nice production of a hard-hitting play which will make people shocked, thrilled, uncomfortable.
और मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये तो चला फिल्म थिएटर्स और क्या क्या करना बाकी है मतलब और क्या क्या मतलब कैरेक्टर्स क्या करना चाहती हो आप
एक तो मुझे पिस्टल पकड़ के with like a secret service torch
women in black
that one that one I want to do kicking open a door and going that I want to do because I've seen so many of on Netflix ना Keira Knightley को देखा अभी Black Doves में फिर I saw one called Night Agent so it's good fun to play those tough women secret service देसी तो है ही नहीं all men are in secret service so something like that or crazy comedy I love comedy but good comedy is not being written, so I would love to. I would love to do a great comedy, but we are not so great. Americans are great at comedy. British people are great at comedy, but Indians have not mastered the art of comedy. So I would love to do a comic role. I would love to do an action one. There's so many things I want to do.
You have played masala films too. आपका सबसे मतलब फैशन टाइप फिल्म जहाँ पे इतना सारा मतलब it's a commercial movie and also critically acclaimed and awarded also. तो कैसा लगता है मतलब ये पूछना है कि is it different from doing a film which is a low budget film and doing a film which is a budget?
Yes, the check you get is much smaller and much bigger in the case of fashion.
And लेकिन वो मतलब वो वातावरण नहीं हम सोच रहे मतलब जब माहौल कैसा मतलब is it easy to work?
For a character actor, it can be difficult. Sometimes people can ignore you. So you may get less respect if you're playing a character actor and there's a big star. I can't stand that. Everyone should be treated well. Everyone should be given respect. ऐसा नहीं है कि everyone runs after the star and उसको मरने दो. But that's why when we are doing films like this, the energy is so fantastic. Everybody is a family. You joke, you laugh, you hug each other, you fight with each other. It's so lovely.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being with us.
Please see the film.
आप थोड़ा सा बोल दीजिए. आप बोल दीजिए मैडम ड्राइवर के बारे में.
Kolkata, please come and see Madam Driver today, now at 7 o'clock. But yes, support Indian independent cinema.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
এরকম অনেক আড্ডা আলোচনা আর আমাদের সঙ্গে এরকম অনেক কিছু সাক্ষাৎকার গল্প আড্ডা সবকিছু দেখতে হলে দ্য ওয়ালে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। আমার সঙ্গে ক্যামেরায় বিশ্বদীপের সঙ্গে শুভঙ্কর, দ্য ওয়াল।